As if there wasn't enough stress to deal with already when going on vacation. Buying tickets, packing, making accommodations. There's an awful lot to do. The last thing you want to worry about is your plants. But also the last thing you want to do is have them die while you're gone. Today, I'm going to show you how you can keep your plants watered while you're away, so you can vacation without worry and come home to find your plants just as healthy and happy as you left them. From simple DIY solutions that are quick and affordable and will work in a pinch, to more versatile options that give you flexibility and the ability to simply set it and forget it for weeks at a time, no matter what your situation is, whether you have a few outdoor plants, a few indoor plants, an entire garden outside, or whether you're going on vacation for a couple days or a couple months. Let's start with our outdoor plants. The first questions to ask yourself are, how many plants need to be watered while you're away, and how long are you going to be away? If it's just 1 to 6 plants and it's not an extended absence, something as simple as this watering rock can easily get the job done. The watering rock is actually a 5-gallon reservoir that comes with 6 adjustable drippers. Now, the fact that these drippers are adjustable means you can really fine-tune the flow rate to match the plant's watering needs. The rock slowly releases water at the rate set on the adjustable drippers. With a little adjustment, you can get it near perfect for each plant that needs watered. The watering rock is a gravity-powered system, so you need to make sure none of your plants are elevated above it. They need to be on the same level, or the rock can be higher. Now, this also means it has no moving parts. You're not relying on a pump. You're not relying on water pressure being generated from some outside source. Gravity will do all the work for you. This means if your plants are out of the way, you can carry your watering rock there. That way, when you're gone on vacation, not only can it water where you can't be, but it also when you can't be there. But what if you have more plants? No problem. If you have up to 30 plants, one of our vacation watering kits will keep your plants happy and healthy while you're gone. We have 2 vacation watering kits, one that has 20 drippers for up to 20 plants, and another that has 30 drippers for up to 30 plants. These kits easily connect to your outdoor hose bib, and they come with a timer you can program your watering cycles before you leave. In this way, all the watering can be done automatically. One of the best things about the vacation watering kits is that they can handle extended absences. So long as there is water available to hose bib, the included timer will open to allow the system to operate at all of its programmed watering schedules. Whether you're gone for the weekend or gone for the month, these kits can handle it with ease. The items in the vacation watering kit are easy to use. Simply thread your head assembly parts to your hose bib. Then connect your mainline tubing, which of these kits is our 1/4 inch micro tubing. Next, run the mainline over to your plants where you can use one of the included tees to tee off towards your plant. Push the dripper into the end of your 1/4 inch tubing and use the included stake to hold it in place. And that's it. Your dripper is ready to deliver a controlled amount of water to your plant. It's not nearly as difficult or intimidating as it might seem, but if you'd like to see a step-by-step guide to setting up a system just like this one, check out the video there in the top right. It walks you through the entire process, from start to completion. Now, if your garden is too large for one of the kits or the watering rock, don't worry, there's still an easy solution. A drip irrigation system using a hose timer can handle a garden of almost any size and diversity of plant types. So you could design and then install a system for your large garden and simply use a hose timer to control the irrigation cycles like you do with the vacation watering kit. In fact, one trick you can do is to customize one of our other kits and simply add a timer to it. This allows it to effectively be a vacation watering kit. Likewise with our hanging baskets or our container watering kits. They can easily become vacation kits by simply adding a timer. If you'd like to learn how to easily design your own drip system, check out the video there in the top right. It's our step-by-step design guide for drip irrigation. If you already have a drip irrigation system running from your hose bib, all you need is a timer to achieve the exact same effect as our vacation watering kits. It's the timer that automates the entire thing. Now, one question we get a lot is, what about plants that have different watering needs? Well, that's where something like this, customizing your own system, really comes in handy. For example, if you have particularly thirsty plants, you could use multiple button drippers at those, while you could use an individual button dripper at plants that require less water. Same with our 1/4-inch drip line here. This here has an emitter spaced every 12 inches. For thirstier plants, containers, or rows of plants, you could lay down more of this, make a spiral or a ring to get more emitters to the thirstiest areas of your garden, while delivering less to areas that don't need quite as much. And along those same lines, one question we get pretty often is, how long should I run my system for? If you'd like to learn more about how long to run your drip irrigation system and what things to consider when deciding on watering cycles, check out the video there in the top right. It's a short video that covers the basics of how long to water the system for. Now, what if you have plants with drastically different watering needs? Even if your garden or landscape contains plants with very different watering requirements, you can still automatically water them with a drip system while you're on vacation. In cases like this, you'd want to use a multi-outlet timer like this one. This allows you to create multiple zones right at your hose bib, so you can put your low water plants on one zone and your higher water plants on another. This way, you'll be able to adjust the watering durations completely independent of one another. Now that we've taken a look at some of the outdoor methods of vacation watering, let's take things indoors and see what we can do for our indoor plants. If you have just a couple plants and you want a nice, simple, straightforward, inexpensive solution, these watering stakes can do the trick. All you have to do is assemble it. Take the nozzle, insert it into here with the nozzle facing down. Remember, this is down because you'll be threading the bottle into the top. To use them, you simply thread in a bottle of water or an old empty soda bottle and that you filled with water, thread it into the top of this. Be sure to punch a small hole in the top of the bottle to allow the water to flow. Then place the stake into the plant. Water will come out of the dripper and keep your plant slowly watered while you're gone. The knob on here is adjustable, meaning you can control the flow rate of the drip to some degree. This will drip anywhere from 1 to 15 days, depending on how far you open the valve. Anywhere from a constant, steady drip to a nice slow drip about once per minute. This allows you to really plan for how long you're going to be away versus how much water your plant needs. The bigger the bottle of water, the longer that the plants can be watered. If you want to make sure your bottle of water is going to last for your entire trip, there's a quick calculation you can use to properly adjust the flow to match the number of days you're going to be away. In this case, it's simply drip duration equals ounces of water multiplied by seconds between each drip and then divided by 146. If the resulting number of days is less than you're going to be away, you can simply use a larger bottle or slow down the drip. We all know after a long vacation, the last thing you're going to want to do is jump right back into hand watering. So don't hesitate to continue to use the system. With a little bit of care and a little bit of maintenance, these systems can all enjoy a long lifespan of automatically and effectively and efficiently keeping your plants watered. If you'd like to learn more about drip irrigation, check out our Getting Started with Drip Irrigation playlist right here. If you'd like to just jump in and get started on some of the things we used in our video today, check out the description below. We've linked everything that we've used.